is my 93 240SX S13 convertible. I'm gonna be doing the headlight conversion to LED instead of the seal beamed. Change it to like the H4. I see everyone just like doing the LED, like, you know, like with the dot. I don't like that style. I'm gonna be putting in these Rampage headlight conversion kits, seal beam to halogen. I got these on Juku Racing. I'm gonna be putting these last fit, the H4 to LED conversion. I forgot the specs, but I'll leave everything in the description. These are my old sealed beam. Oh, I just put these LEDs in too. Clear markers. And with the LEDs, I think they look good. It was like yellow before, like amber. Matches the white fogs. Or the turn signals. But I know they're like curb rash and stuff, but I got a good deal. I'm getting resurfaced and like polished and stuff. But look, these are how I got them. They're like dull, you know? I don't know if, like, if you can see it. It's like dull. I don't know if the camera can see. Fuck. Try to pick that up. Fuck, it doesn't want to focus. I don't know if you guys can see a difference. Like, in person looks better. Like, it's like flake. It's like, try to get a better, like, flaky in person. These are the new headlights. I hope they look okay with when it's on. It's kind of different from like the OEM or like the seal beam patterns. Kind of like the seal beam patterns. How it's like it's like little bricks or something in it. But hopefully this will make it look more modern. The sealed beam. Let's plug in the back. The new one. Change it. Alright, I put the LEDs in the socket, and then with the pin, you know, like, there's a pin you pull out, and then you put back in, and then you screw it on top. Took a while, honestly, I'm not gonna lie. It's gonna be 2 screws on each side, so it'll be 4, like 2, 2, 2, 2. Alright. So if you just like gently, not too just soft, but like not too gentle, but like if you're kind of not too rough, but like if you're just like wiggling it, like playing with it, it'll come out, you know, shape. I didn't crack it. I got it all in one piece. After you get the cover off, 2 screws on top, 2 screws on bottom, and then that should be able to pop it out. And you unplug the socket, like there's like a plug or something. I think this is the best way to take it off instead of taking this thing, the cap, and then, you know, you take all that shit off, and like, cause I saw like if you take this off, you're gonna have to realign everything and fuck that bullshit. Okay, after you get the 4 screw, like the 2, you know, 2 on top, 2 on bottom, this metal shield comes out. That's all I forgot to say, and it's the same thing. Just pull it out and stuff.